I remember when I talked about man like this, being 11 one-dimensional lines and 12 zero-dimensional singularities. We have to plus 1 for the circle around it all to make 12 and 12. Well, 12 and 12 circled is a 1313, which is 26, which is God, showing you that, man is God. Now, those 12s can also be broken down like so, okay? Into selves, galaxies, and universe, which will make it 23, 23 encircled, just a 24, 24, which is your 4 pi, 48. But when you combine two selves, you have to do this all over again. So you get the 48, which is now a 59, okay? 5 and a 9 encircled, which is a 60, which is a 61. Read backwards is 16, which is hex, showing that man, in the x-plane, anyways, we're hex. Now I'm going to talk about the father of our free energy device, Austin Lee Meredith. I've been doing some decodes, and if I think that you speak in truth and you decode in truth, you get some interesting things. Now I want you guys to sound the alarm. Austin Lee Meredith, it's time to sound the alarm to get mind blasted and wake up. Now ALM, when 3 makes 4 makes 5, is this. Look at that, guy. I am. But you have to make the V, okay? Because everything's upside down. So there you go. There's your V, okay? And then you got to look at it in terms of, there's your flux capacitor for Back to the Future, guys. Because you can make 3 makes 4 makes 5 when you reverse it, makes a flux capacitor. So it's already upside down, and now it's flipped because of the optics of your eyes already, because man and God are reversed when we see shit. So backwards just means you have to read it from the bottom top. Like you got to read it backwards. You got to read it from this way. From God's left to God's right. Because that's how God's supposed to read. So maybe, and you got to go from the bottom because it's upside down. So you got to go I am, clockwise. That's why we have clockwise. So it spells I am, which is like the big Freemason thing. It also spells Lamb, as in the Lamb of God. So that's the Father, okay, is I am and Lamb. Now the mother is Shelaim Amber Graves, okay? Sag, saggy. Anyways. SAG, when 3 makes 4 makes 5, makes that. Okay, we have to make the V, so we have to bring it like this. Okay, and then it's already upside down. Now we got backwards it, so it should be ASG. I know what that means. Asperger's? Anyways. If you look at it just clockwise, if you don't start from the bottom here where we're supposed to, and spell ASG, and if we start from here, where like the clock starts, and read it properly, you get gas. And what do we do to Mother Earth? We rape Mother Earth for her natural resources so that we can get energy from them. We literally rape Mother Earth for her gas. While they parade around praising the Father, saying that I am God. That's what Freemasons do, guys. They exploit the earth for profits and gains so that capitalism can continue and we can live, and our children can live in a society, and their children can live in a society, and their children can live in a society where they're dependent on corporations for energy, meaning they have bills to pay to people for doing absolutely no work, because apparently in their world it's okay for their time to be worth more than your time. Where in my world, no one is better than anyone else, and no one's time is really worth any more than anyone else's time. Use your discernment, faith, and experiences. And let me know what you think about all this.